Clubhouse sandwich by Friendship Menu. Ingredients: ham and bacon, bread loaf, lettuce, chicken spread, cheese, tomatoes, salt, black pepper, and cooking oil. First, heat a small amount of cooking oil in a pan. Fry the 2 slices of bacon. And 2 slices of ham. Then toast 3 slices of bread loaf. Put some chicken spread on the bread loaf. And spread evenly. Add lettuce, then tomatoes, a pinch of salt, and black pepper too. Add 2 slices of fried bacon, then add ham and bread. Repeat the steps. And after putting lettuce, you add 1 piece of cheese and tomatoes. Add bacon and ham, then cover with a piece of bread loaf. Cut it slowly into 4 and use toothpicks to hold the sandwich. Match it with some chips and serve immediately. Again, here are the ingredients for Friendship Menu's Clubhouse sandwich. Like and share! Thank you for watching!